You have the perfect strategy. You have the perfect entry signal. But the moment you click buy, you are already in a lose. Why? It's called toxic slippage. Today, I'm going to show you a horror story from my own logs. A broker that slid my price by many points. If I had traded this with real money, I would have been wiped out. Let me show you how to spot this red flag.
Take a look at this. This is a real test I ran on gold. The software detected a gap and sent the order. Look at this column, slippage. It says negative 225 points. Do you understand what this means? It means the price I asked for and the price I got were worlds apart. In HFT, this is a death sentence. Let's do the math. In arbitrage, we hunt for a profit gap of maybe 30 points. If your target is plus 30, but your slippage cost is minus 225, you enter the trade with a net loss of minus 195 points instantly. There is no algorithm in the world that can fix this. If your broker executes like this, you are not trading. You are donating money. So, is it a scam? Before you panic, check your ping. If your VPS is in London and the broker is in New York, this lag is normal due to distance. You need to move your VPS. But if your ping is low, under 10 milliseconds, and you still see 200 points of slippage, run. That is a toxic broker manipulating the feed. Fire them immediately.
Here's the good news. I didn't lose any cent. Why? Because I used Western pips to audit the broker before I funded the account. Do not guess. Audit. If you want to learn how to test your broker before risking your life savings, check the link below and join to our community. See you in the next video.